Did you know on average, sales reps spend 22% of their time on administrative tasks? That comes nearly close to 9 hours of standard work week. And this is to say nothing about your job satisfaction or motivation, which undoubtedly decreases as they experience the burden of administrative fatigue. The hard reality is this: if your business is still using spreadsheet to manage compensation, it's hurting your ability to scale. As a sales executive with a growing team, if you want your reps to thrive, you need to empower them with tools which will help them focus on what they do best. This means providing them with real-time performance data that they can track and trust, self-calculators and reports to keep them motivated, an essential system for approvals and dispute resolution. Sales performance software is designed to help business optimize all aspects of sales function, from automating data entry to providing easy-to-use real-time reports. Our SPM solutions provide the necessary infrastructure to power sales success. Let's get started.